Today is Sunday. Haji weekend here. Welcome to Biscuit Showtime. I'm your host Deepa Aftani in your favorite segment called Quarantine में. और आज के guest, I am sure you guys have been waiting eagerly to see him. He's the handsome, he's the adorable, he's the uber cool dad, the latest one in the tinsel town. You guys would have seen his updates, his amazing photos from modeling to acting. He's done it all. मेरी गुड़िया के अभी के पापा राघव वैसे अभी तो है व्योम के पापा. He's been having a fantastic time lockdown. There are a lot of other things we want to know more from Daksh, from Aman Verma himself. So let's wait no more and let's welcome.
Hello, guys. What's up?
How are you doing, Gaurav? Thank you so much for
Perfectly
joining us.
fine. Your dinner time, my coffee time.
Cheers
Thank you
to
so much
that.
for having me there.
Absolutely.
How are you, Deepa?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking, Gaurav. Quarantine में आपका हाल कैसा चल रहा है?
मेरा हाल बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. I have I've been very particular in my life more now. Disciplined now. So there are a lot of qualities which I am putting in myself. And getting compliments by my family, that's the most important thing. Otherwise, usually they are the one who keep saying, "तो ये नहीं करता, तो वो नहीं करता, तो ये नहीं करता." So they have a perception and judgment always about their children, when especially you live in Bombay or somewhere away from them. So I have proven myself so far really well, and I have a long way. I mean, not a long way, but how much ever lockdown increases, so I have that period to prove myself more. So I've been going well so far.
Okay, that's great news. Absolutely, we wish you better times. It's lockdown 3.0, as we are saying. But we've been seeing your updates and a lot of it in the news. You're having a great time with Vyom.
See, that is perfectly true. I am spending the best time with my son. I can say fortunate enough to reach my hometown on time when we got to know that there are shoots are going to go on hold. So yes, every day I can see the change. Otherwise, if that busy schedule would have been there about the shooting and everything, उस समय पता नहीं चलता how. I mean, his growing age, his growing hours. I could, I can at times feel when he takes an afternoon or evening nap, ना, तो लगता है ये भी बड़ा होके उठा है. So I mean, those moments. I mean, like I'm sure you're also a mother.
Yes.
So there are outstanding moments which I am capturing and spending good time with him. Yeah, that's truly blessed.
Yes, I know. As much as it's like a chaotic time in the world, in our own houses, we are creating this peace of mind and having the best time with family, and especially with father. So congratulations on that, too. It's a personal
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
We had a lot of questions come in already from your fans, which we will get to. Oh, I've got Rohit Verma saying a hello to you. He's been sending a lot of
Hi Rohit, hi, hello. Thank you for joining us.
That's there. I predominantly wanted to ask you something about your latest web series that's come on Primeflix.
It's perfect. Yes. So it's released today. Yeah, it's called Filmed. Yeah, the name itself.
It's called as a word, but so is the concept. Could you kindly share with us, what made you?
Yeah, sure. I mean, the concept, the storyline is really amazing there. It's all driven by me, as in my character Rajiv, where I have played a mediocre job class person, salesman kind of a thing, where the character gets really monotonous with his job, and I mean what situation he is going through for his living, for his family, for his wife. So there comes a situation in his life, so he decides something. So that's where he gets into this profession of being pimp.
Okay.
So it's really bold, and I have stepped into it for the first time. I have done something really. I mean, the shots which are performed and everything are by the professionals. But hopefully and not hopefully, like I'm sure about it. There's nothing much what I have done. I didn't do anything. Those were the things which was like already decided, and we kept it as a condition. But yeah, if you see the whole graph of the series, it's pretty bold. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, absolutely. We're looking forward to it since it's just released. So best wishes there. It's an absolute
thank you so
role
much,
that
guys.
you're doing,
Yeah.
and it's definitely new that we look forward to. You know, you've done even single songs per se. You've done acting. What has been your
Yeah.
favorite till date?
Yeah, everything what I do, I take a little time to decide before I say yes for it or या मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा होता है काम के लिए मना करना तो मुझे आता ही नहीं है. But it should, be convincing enough to play that part, play that character is something which I always look for. So everything is eventually step by step. It's favorite for me, but nothing specific. But if I again talk about a particular thing, particular character, and something what I have done till date is always will be there, close to me, close to my heart, with my soul, will be carried till my last breath. Will be the character I played in my show called PR Angrez.
Yes.
So there I have a lot of memories, and I don't know, when I'm talking about it, whenever I'm talking about it to whomever, so everything is alive about that character, about that show, or that there was some positivity, or you always carry something in your life. So that is something that phase, that 2 years of shooting, 1.5 years of shooting, I have really captured it and secured it with a lock in me. So you can say kind of a favorite thing.
It still does echo till date. We had one of your fans on Biscuit Showtime, Saida, saying, "We want you back on PR Angrez."
Yeah, man. Everybody wants. I myself want my. I want myself to be back as Sher Singh in the show. So let's see. I always been requesting if any higher authority of makers are listening to our chat by any chance, or this chat goes viral, please listen to our souls, not only our voice, but yeah, get the Rangrez back.
Absolutely. We will keep fingers crossed for it. As
please.
such, it's Mother's Day today. We did see your update on ABP News. That was really heartwarming and endearing.
Thank you,
to have that celebration with your mom. A lot of your fans, particularly Gaurav Bajaj, has had a question saying, how was it with Sakshi and Vyom? Like, the very first Mother's Day.
See, yeah, it was really amazing. We wanted to share that part also, but as the family rituals and everything, we not getting Vyom much in the media zone or something. Yeah. Yes. But there was a story done by ABP only, so that was also covered really well. But yeah, since like it is Vyom's first Mother's Day, so we had a good gathering in the morning for breakfast. What you must have seen today, it was actually today. So we have some plans for dinner also. So we're just creating some, making a lot of memories and capturing it and making sure that we put up an album about it, because ये quarantine और ये lockdown का period, ये phone के pictures में खींच के कब कहाँ कौन से folder में चले जाएगा, you would never realize. So you would only talk about it. Everybody is waiting for lockdown period to get over, but you should have memories. You should have great memories, and there are occasions, there are birthdays in families, there are anniversaries, there are like Mother's Day. Then we have my Chacha Chachi's anniversary coming. So we are gathering together. We're making memories as much as we can, and definitely we want to put up an album for this to relish it and relive it again.
I think that's a fantastic idea. We rely on our phone.
Everybody relies on the phone, because see, presently I'm telling you, obviously I have made an album. It must it would sound funny for you. The album's name is only Quarantine Lockdown 2020. तो वो जो एल्बम मतलब मैंने अपने फोन में बनाया ना, वो तो मैंने ये भी सोच लिया है कि जो एक आजकल एल्बम्स बनाते नहीं है ना, we don't print out. So the what do you call, the poster of the album will be that 2020 quarantine lockdown memories. So we have occasions.
It's a perfect title. It will be copied very soon.
It is not like earlier what we had to take the roll from the camera and take it to a lab and just wait for 3-4 days, a week's time to get those pictures. Now you have to just put it and attach a file and send it to your anyone who prints out.
Yes.
Or so you can keep it. You don't have to go. You don't have to visit anything. कि आपको यार आपके पास time नहीं है. So my suggestion has always been going to everybody for the same only. Create memories. Though we are reliving the memories also, we are making a lot of like it's Sunday today. We have 8:30 when we'll sit for dinner today. So every Sunday, what we decide, we always take out an album. So I'm sharing it with you. Like I had shared the same thing with my other friends whom I came on live with. So we sit onto it. We talk about it. Today we have another album. Today we have my thread ceremony. You know what's thread ceremony?
Yes. Janyo, yeah. Is that what you're saying?
Janyo. Yeah. Are you Sindhi?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Are superb. I'm also Sindhi. So yeah. See, this is the Mother's Day cake. I am eating. If anybody wants to join, yeah. So, sorry, I'm just gonna take a bite, because I'm been controlling it. Being kept here. So where was I? About the album. So we have My Thread Ceremony, which was in 2006. So that 2006. So वो वाली आज देखेंगे. So it's like reliving and making the best out of this time with family.
Great. Yeah, I think as much as digital we live in, you're making it sound as practical and the loving moments we used to have. You know, seeing the VCR, seeing the albums. Maybe we all
यार हम लोगों ने कोशिश की थी VCR वो करने की, but वो हम लोगों ने निकाला, but eventually वो जो VCRs वाली जो कैसेट्स थे ना, उनको हमने सीडीज में करवा लिया था. तो हम लोगों ने वो अभी मतलब घर में एक ऐसा हो गया है कि whatever you are doing when you're reliving your childhood, make sure that you don't have your phones around. Do not post anything. You don't need to. You are reliving it ना. तो मतलब कोई restrictions नहीं है. मतलब आज अगर कैसेट है तो मैंने अपने हाथ में उतनी बड़ी ब्लैक वाली कैसेट लेके उसका भी फोटो डाल दिया तो. But that's how I'm controlling. Everybody in the house is controlling not only social distancing, but social distancing, otherwise also digitally also.
Yes, so true.
It should reach directly to you all that what exactly is happened today. It should be, I mean, you're not supposed to, बस सिर्फ अपने लिए करो यार. Enjoy the moment. उस समय एक मिनट यार वो कैसे डालने के पहले एक मिनट एक फोटो खींचना है. So all those things are not happening. So I am very chillax and enjoying it. But वो वाला यार साला VCR चला नहीं, तो हम लोगों ने कोशिश बहुत की थी. तो वो अंदर जो मोटर होती है या जो होता है ना, तो वो जंग लग गई थी या जो भी. But anyway, we could find that was a big thing.
Yeah, true. And I think, being with your family to actually even have that moment shared again. The VCR चला या नहीं चला, बातें चल जाती है. गपशप होने लगती है उसी बारे में.
हाँ, गपशप होने लग जाती है. That's true. वो वैसी बातें निकली थी. फिर उस समय डिसाइड हुआ कि मतलब एक टॉपिक निकला था कि ये वाला VCR. फिर इसके बाद पहले वो ऐसे खुल के कैसेट्स आती थी. फिर वो टेक्नोलॉजी में बात हुई थी कि सबसे पहले VCRs ऐसे आए थे, फिर वैसे आए थे. तो वो 10 मिनट का कॉन्वर्सेशन हो गया था. So मतलब it was like reliving it, definitely.
Absolutely. I think Gaurav, everybody was just saying, we want to see your eyes. Get your glasses off. And
I swear. Right? Yeah, मैंने सुना नहीं. But actually, I told you I was taking a nap and I just woke up. I told you I'll take a nap and I'll come.
Absolutely.
But यार मैं ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. आंखें थोड़ी अभी नींद वाली है, चलेगी.
Right. I think it's still got the aura. Everybody's wanting that. People have started sending the hearts there, so they are super excited about seeing your face.
Yeah.
So now that you're saying you're a Sindhi, do you speak Sindhi?
Yeah, definitely.
केड़ो
हाल है? डाडो सुठो
मैं
तू बुधाए माके छा हालात तुंजो.
जाम सुठो. मेलबर्न में सब सही ठीक है.
सब सुठो है ना?
सब हले पे तो.
खानो पीनो सब हले तो ना?
Absolutely.
घर में सब ही ठीक है?
सब.
कोकी खा गई तू?
कोकी बसर वाली.
माँ भी खा दी.
So wow. We can do things with that. Wow. Amazing. That was a new finding.
No, if you have a run through a proper conversation, then I can definitely speak. But otherwise, I will. I was just about to fumble, so I was like, okay. But that's okay.
I not required. You went really well.
Yeah. No, I can speak really well, and I have no. I mean, why do I hide from it? You won't believe. I swear. Mm-hmm. It must be sounding funny now. We have decided to even teach Vyom Sindhi. Why not?
True.
We have elders.
Yes.
We have elders in the house. We have Dadi ji. We have everybody from his nani house also, or around in the family. I mean, elders in the house speak Hindi.
True.
So he should be, not only. I mean, जैसे यार होता है ना कि दादी से बात करेगा तो आज अगर दादी खिला रही है, मस्ती कर रही है उसके साथ मेरी दादी जी, तो माय दादी जी इज टॉकिंग इन सिंधी विद हिम. हाँ, मस्ती तो करे, छा खपई या whatever she is talking in that. So I don't want him to be like, I want him to understand, reply, talk. So whether he should be, very flexible to connect with elders like our grandparents and his grandparents. So समझ में आना चाहिए.
True, and it's just carrying along the heritage and the love the generations pass on. So that's very nice of you. So does my daughter. Her name is Dilina. We speak in Sindhi with her. So
why not? What's wrong?
It's just yet another foreign language if they want to call it.
यार हम तो ये बोल रहे हैं कि मैं आज अपने आप को बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं I've been out of my hometown from last 16 years. I started in Pune for 6 years, and then after that I went to 15 years. Then I came to Indore for 3-4 months, and then we decided, with due permission and letter and everything, I went to Bombay to pursue my career. So उस टाइम में जो मेन एज होती है ये सब करने की, बट आई मेड श्योर कि यार मैं अगर सारे फेस्टिवल और ओकेजन्स पे आऊं तो आई डोंट वांट टू बी अवे फ्रॉम, सी पुणे दैट टाइम यूज्ड टू बी द सिटी, स्टिल आई डोंट नो, बट it's not the same how it used to be during my college days. We were interacting with lot of people across the world. It was the education hub. It is. So उस समय जो exposure मिला, so I made sure कि यार ये exposure मुझे मेरी mother tongue से और मेरी family के ritual से दूर ना ले जाए. उस समय पता नहीं चलता ना 4-5 साल कब निकल जाते हैं. तो वो 6 साल थे. So whenever I used to come here, everything used to be in that we have rituals, we have, like I was telling you, Janyu, कि आज वो वाले pictures निकले. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हम जनियों में करते हैं. Sindhis, other people, they don't do it, they don't follow it. So I mean, आज कुछ बातें होने वाली है. So I made sure कि when I made sure about myself, so obviously, definitely, I would want to make sure the same thing about my son also.
Yeah, that's very kind, and I'm sure whether a photo album or maybe if this interview goes viral and he gets to see it, he'll be so proud knowing that that planned it.
Definitely, yeah.
So here, Vyom, if you're hearing this, jam mazo toche.
Vyom is sleeping right now. Must be coming in like 10 minutes. Yeah.
Right. So,
7 o'clock.
Absolutely. We are looking forward to your latest Prime, your show, web series on Prime. The Pimp and the.
Do not judge me, guys. If you watch it, do not judge me. Just watch my performance, because I'm myself little that ways to experience that genre. But yeah, it was good story. What I did, you all should like it.
Yes, and you'll still love your unconventional avatar. Let's put it that way. And we are looking forward to it. So guys, get on to Prime Flix and share the love again as much as possible, how you do.
Please do. Thank you so much, Deepaya.
Now,
and you tell me, yes, please tell me. Please.
I'm here in Melbourne. Things are getting, lower, and it's getting steady in Australia with God's grace. But Mumbai is like an epic center right now. And with extension of lockdown till 17th of May. What are your views? Like, what do you think? Should they extend it further? What's in the best interest?
Yeah, see, there are different opinions. Obviously, everybody has different opinion, but my opinion should be is about my industry so far. Television industry, Bollywood, everything, where a lot of people are involved, the laborers and everything. So they come in quantity. And if you talk about quantity, where are they coming from? How are they coming? What is their baggage? So there must be few people who are not being given those facilities and those amenities, I would say, in this lockdown period from their producers and federation. तो वो लोग अपने अपने गांव जा चुके हैं.
Okay.
So when they return, how happy they are to work for it. And there are a lot of people whom I'm in touch with generally in this different departments. they're happy, they're more sorted about staying in their गांव, that village. तो वो कब वापस आएंगे, कैसे चालू होगा, वो तो बहुत दूर की बात है. बट अगर ये चालू होता भी है, प्रिकॉशंस तो डेफिनेटली हर एक डिपार्टमेंट लेगा. बट आई पर्सनली फील television will take time because Deepa, all the episodes have been, I mean, it's been shown. There's nobody, no producer, not even a single producer or anybody has something as a bank. So banks are, the episode banks are gone. So here we have to work really hard to start. So everybody will start working from the scratch. So I think it should take a little bit more time, and all the producers, I mean the broadcasters, should give time to producers to start making it slowly and gradually with less number of people. Best possible, what I feel, if we have a unit of 200 people, let's create a permanent unit of 55 people and accommodate them on the sets. Avoid the transportations. उनको वहीं पे रुकाओ, वहीं से चालू करो जितनी फैसिलिटीज दे पाओगे. और जहाँ चेक करने की बात आती है, जो हेल्थ चेकअप्स होते हैं, वो बहुत अच्छे से होने वाले हैं, ये मुझे पता चला है. बट इफ नॉट दिस इंडस्ट्री, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर एसेंशियल, लाइक जैसे हाउ यू टोल्ड मी दैट ऑल द ग्रोसरी आइटम्स एंड जो मेन चीजें हैं मिलना चालू हो गई है. सो वो सब मिलने के बाद भी इट शुड टेक टाइम. इट विल इज नॉट इन माई हैंड. My opinion is it should take time for everybody to understand the scenario. Otherwise, not only from India, from everywhere, everybody is waiting for this moment to get over. तो हर एक चीज है ना फैलनी नहीं चाहिए. Slowly and gradually start होनी चाहिए. But lockdown, if needed, I will definitely support. If it gets extended more. So obviously, it's not that easy to decide on it. There are a lot of cities where what I am hearing and seeing the news, हर जगह रिकवरी हो रही है, हर जगह पॉजिटिव न्यूज आ रही है. अब वो पॉजिटिव न्यूज आने के बाद आपने सब खोल दिया, लाइक हाउ यू ओपन द डोर. सो आई मीन हर एक चीज वापस फैलेगी. सो आई मीन माय ओपिनियन इज दैट ओनली. Rest, I have many things to say about what I have faced, I have seen around my staff. People were working for me in Bombay, people were working for us in Indore. लोगों को तकलीफ बहुत है, बहुत है.
Yes, indeed. I think it's a very difficult time. Even if it's progressing, it's going in the right direction. But जो damage हो चुका है, people need a lot of strength to come out of it.
So let's all support and be more positive on this. इसको थोड़ा और support करते. इतना तो time गुजार ही लिया ना. पता था कि 45-50 days होने वाले हैं. इतना तो पता नहीं था.
Absolutely, and I think you're very humble in saying and spreading that message that let's support each other.
This is the time where, like I'm telling you, we all have to be united and support each other. Like I cannot support physically or give anything right now sitting here and providing whatever best I am able to do. I am doing it still, but हम लोग at least mentally, verbally तो message पहुंचा सकते हैं कि ऐसा कर सकते हैं. मतलब you all can, we know that we can sustain. So अभी जो लाइफस्टाइल है ना, वो ऑलरेडी बहुत मिनिमल हो गई है. वो जो घूमना फिरना और जो डिजायर्स है ना, अभी प्रेजेंटली लाइक लॉट ऑफ influencers, everybody are saying, which is right. I mean, best time in 2020 right now is think about surviving. Don't think about making profit. Don't think about what has happened. If you survive, then you have more years, number of years to perform your thing and earn or whatever.
And
तो अभी जितना ज़्यादा secure हो सकते हैं, हाँ.
Make
happy memories and relive it.
Albums.
Albums बनाओ यार, albums बनाओ, याद करोगे.
There we go. We've got this big plug from Gaurav. Make albums. For that, make good memories. Let's put it that way. A lot of people still remember you as, Daksh, Aman Verma, and Raghav. Which one has been your favorite? I think Gaurav Bajaj Holics had this cute question saying, cute Gaurav. Please tell us which has been your favorite role.
My favorite, like we spoke on this question earlier also about the character. Every character, I mean, I understand the character very well. हम लोग के पास इतना sketch नहीं होता है for the character to understand, but you have to carve it.
Yes, indeed.
So the longer the character you live, the longer the show runs. really I mean वो बहुत close हो जाता है आपसे. तो अभी मैं जैसे शेर सिंह की बात कर रहा था about the PR English and playing father for the first time in this thing, मेरी गुड़िया. सो वो भी
Yes.
मेरा फेवरेट ही है बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें वो करने को मिली जो कभी करना का मौका भी नहीं मिला था. Like say about dialogue, somebody addressing me as Papa, 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 drop you to the school, sitting on the dining table, and then you turn and you react on this. So yeah, everything is favorite, but out of all, what I really enjoyed playing was Sher Singh.
Chasing. Yes, we
Yeah,
have been seeing a
people.
lot of
Yeah.
my chasing. A lot of people have been commenting. Your fans are just going gaga about it. Gaurav, there is a travel ban currently, but which is the first travel destination that you've got on your mind when things
Which
get
is the
okay?
first when
Travel
things gets okay?
Yes.
First thing before Mumbai also, what I have an agenda. If I get permission and everything goes well, touch wood, looking for. First place I'll be going to Ujjain, Mahakaleshwar. And if not that, then we'll be going to Shirdi. This is where we're gonna start everything and thank for. I mean, it's a Thanksgiving kind of a thing, yeah.
Yeah,
यार अभी मैं बताऊं जनरली बहुत सारे एजेंडास थे 2020 में ही 2021 में like you have your busy schedule so we have to plan our holidays little prior and do the bookings. So कुछ आने वाले हैं जो कुछ जा चुके हैं मतलब first week of May we had some plan अभी थोड़े दिन पहले so all those things have gone. So उसके बाद अभी वो बचा नहीं है कि यहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाना है कि उस कंट्री में विजिट करना है. सो या explore India more is the agenda. We have made 3 destinations on the paper right now. Me, my family. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि ये पैसों की भी बचत है यार. जो मैं और साक्षी एक अब्रॉड विजिट करके आते थे लाइक बीइंग सिंधी डेफिनेटली बाय ब्लड.
So let's call it Incredible India. We would love
हाँ
it.
एग्जैक्टली. सो नाउ लाइक व्योम इज देयर तो हम लोगों को वैसे ही डेस्टिनेशंस अभी ज्यादा चॉइस नहीं है तो हम लोगों ने वो वाले डेस्टिनेशंस करे जहाँ पे हम पूरी फैमिली जाएंगे.
Yes.
And then we have early mornings in winter places like cold region. Then we have planned कि वो बढ़िया जल्दी उठ के शाम को 8-9 बजे तक सो जाना. Then early mornings. So we have those things already planned, but not going to countries here and there and there and there.
Right, this is the first quarantine, so we'll just ask a few questions related to your very first
Sure.
job.
My very first job was as a from the college. There was some contest had happened. I was being, well, we were like 40-45 people were being selected from the college that we had to appear somewhere for the shoot. Some movie shoot it was happening. So we had to be like a college crowd, actual college people. So they wanted those, not the junior artists, but they wanted students. So there I did 4 days of job and I had earned around 14 or 1500, I remember. Yeah, 1500. No, 500, 2000 rupees. 4 days it was 2000. Yeah. That was the first job.
Great.
4 days.
Sounded like a big pocket money. Good times.
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, मतलब not big really, but हाँ वो वाली चीज याद है. मैंने 3 महीने तक वो चीज एनवेलप में संभाल के रखी थी क्योंकि वो पुणे में हुआ था और मैं वो फर्स्ट अपनी जो सैलरी बोलोगे या जो अर्निंग्स बोलोगे एक व्हाइट कलर के एनवेलप में अच्छे से संभाल के रखी थी मेरे लॉकर में, मतलब मेरे वार्डरोब के लॉकर में. तो मैं जब दिवाली के टाइम के लिए इंदौर आ रहा था तब मैंने वो दादी जी और मम्मा को दी थी. I remember.
I mean, that was a very heartwarming
And this
moment,
I'm telling you, this is 2000. ये 2004 की बात है. 100%. First year of me, second year of my Pune.
Okay, great. I think whether 2004 or not, that moment would have been a standstill in your dadi.
हाँ, और पता है वो क्या था? वो 2000 इकट्ठे मिले थे. 2000 इकट्ठे मिले तो मजा आया था. मतलब it was good.
How sweet. Your first shot, Gaurav.
My first shot was a phone call. It was a phone cut. I had done a show, Palko Ki Chhaav mein. That was my first show. There I had appeared as a cameo a parallel lead as a cameo. So that was the first shot. I was talking on the phone, assuming somebody. That was the first shot. And the director right now, Seema ma'am, she was a director in the show. She still meets me and she still tells me. उन्होंने बोला था कि उस टाइम पे कि जब मैं वो फोन कॉल कर रहा था तो बिकॉज इट्स बहुत पहले की बात है, तो उन्होंने कुछ कुछ ऐसी चीज बोली थी, तो अभी मुझे वो दो ढाई साल पहले मिली थी किसी शूट पे, तब उन्होंने मुझे वो वाली चीज याद दिलाई. तो दैट्स समथिंग व्हिच पर्सनल, वेरी पर्सनल फॉर मी. सो आई वाज लाइक वेरी टच्ड and that was my first shot, the phone call.
Great. Any first word that Vyom has said already?
Vyom has said guru. वो गुरु, हाँ, वाहे गुरु जब हम प्ले करते हैं, व्हेन वाहे गुरु से सिमरन का वो जो चलता है, तो उसको फर्स्ट वर्ड उसके मुंह से जो अभी तक निकला है, तो व्हेन यू से वाहे इज अ गुरु, गुरु. So that's how he has started saying that now. मतलब वो जब 3 महीने का था तभी उसने ये धीरे धीरे बोलना चालू किया था, अभी थोड़ा सा और क्लियर बोलता है, बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू गिव अ क्यू, वाहे, then he said guru. Yes. वो पूरा गुरु नहीं बोलेगा. Yeah, but he so it's good. Quick, isn't it? How sweet. Yeah, so and when there's a ये जो पार्ट चलता है, जो कंटिन्यू अगर ये ऑडियो चलता रहता है, तो वो बहुत जैसे वाहे गुरु कंटिन्यू चलता रहता है ना, तो बेचारे को बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता. वो पहले 10 बार सुनता है, फिर बोलता है गुरु. मैंने बोल दिया. Yeah. That's funny. Yeah. So family was also very like, इसने पहले मम्मी पापा नहीं बोला, पहले गुरु बोला.
How sweet. Yeah. Your first car?
My first car was I bought it in 2010. 2011 I had bought a car. Yes. 10 में I had booked it. मतलब first week of January में लिया था. Third week of January. My first car was silver color Mercedes C-Class compressor.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That was your fabulous buy. I'm sure.
Yeah, I could have bought something else also in 2010, but I waited for some time to collect and gather some more money. I might as well buy a Star because I have an obsession with Star. So I have been touched with upgrading with this only. So yeah, this is something nice.
Absolutely. We wish you many more galore in that case.
Thank you very much.
Gaurav, your first date with Sakshi.
I wish I must be like, if I would be getting money to go live, I would have actually made a car now. By now, in the quarantine period, I must have at least booked some car.
अगर इंशाल्लाह लॉकडाउन 4.0 ना हो, बट अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो लेट्स गेट दैट प्लान हैपनिंग.
हाँ, नहीं मतलब लाइव में सोचो ना, लाइव में आई मेरा कार हुआ.
That's a good idea though. Yes, Gaurav, your first date with Sakshi.
My first date with Sakshi was 21st of December. Where we met for the first time. So my family met Sakshi on 19th. I met Sakshi's family on 20th December 2012. And 21st is finally where we get to meet, a proper formal meeting. So that time I made sure that this meeting should be considered whether we say yes or no for each other. But this meeting will be a first date for us. So that we had gone for a drive and then we sat for a coffee and a juice what she had ordered. But वो इतनी नर्वस थी बेचारी कि उसका, मेरी तो कॉफी 2-3 रिपीट हो चुकी थी, उसका वो मौसमी का जूस नीचे सेटल हो चुका था उसके फाइबर्स के साथ और जूस पानी ऊपर हो चुका था. So yeah, that was the first date with Sakshi. We spoke for around 1.5 hours, where our parents and everybody is sitting for a formal lunch.
Okay, amazing. I think before I could say anything, Hum D&D, one of our viewers said really good with dates. And I think that's one quality any wife would admire, remembering dates and the moments there.
It was now, to be more precise, अभी बात करते करते मतलब मुझे बीच में याद आया था. So 23rd of January I had bought the car, that first car which I told you.
Wow. That's it. So,
याद रहता है यार dates का. But I'm really very bad at wishing people. Actually, अभी तो चलो पता चल जाता है कि Instagram पे किसका बर्थडे है या Facebook पे पता चल जाता है. Otherwise, I'm pretty bad at remembering birthdays and names also.
I think for now you've kind of proven yourself with remember dates with Sakshi. I think that counts the most for now.
Yeah.
I have a lot of viewers from Mala from US.
पहली चीजें हैं. Hi everybody. So sorry I could not wish you and greet you all here because हम दो सिंधी बात करने लग गए थे ना, so it just got messed up. Yeah. Hello everybody. Hope everybody is doing really well and
absolutely. I'll now scroll through the questions for you. But I was just saying,
please.
I saw Styles Hi Look Lata saying hi from Lagos, Nigeria. I have a lot of viewers.
Hi Lata.
So what I'm going to do, listeners, on Biscuit Show, I'm going to just read through a few questions here.
Sure, please do that.
Asking, in Indore, which place do you like the most?
What do I like the most in Indore?
Yes.
I love my home. I am otherwise also personally. You can ask anybody or people who know me and who have joined. I usually don't get out of my house. I love to be here. We have done few things where I keep changing the corners weekly, idhar and idhar. Otherwise, if you talk about a particular eating place where I really enjoy going and eating, so there's a street called Chappan Dukan. So there you just have to enter that street, and particularly you have a lot of varieties to eat. So that's one place which is really. Please यार अभी बातें मत करो उस जगह की, सब बंद है.
That's it. I have Tej Veera and one of your fans saying that we are watching PR Angrez on repeat in quarantine and loving every bit of it.
Thank you very much. Believe me, at times even I scroll and I also watch few episodes. I have few 25 episodes listed out of all those, I don't know, 350, 400 episodes we shot for. Yeah, somewhere around 400 something. So I have best of the 25, 26 episodes where actually वो मैंने 2-3 बार देख ली है, तो वो अभी उसको फेवरेट करके मैंने भी अभी सच में अच्छा किया हुआ है.
Yes, I also have.
I think your video paused, yeah.
Yes, I think no, it's come back fine now. You can hear me, right?
Okay.
Just checking.
Yeah.
So I also had one of your fans. I know we've spoken a lot about your characters, but is there any particular character that you relate yourself to the maximum in your real life, from your real life?
From my real life, no, yeah, there's nothing which I relate. ऐसा कोई character है नहीं. But yeah, I am really obsessed being corporate person, and I love being formal. I love attending formal meetings. I love attending corporate events. So I would say Raghav what in this show. So that really, I mean, I related personally. I style myself very smoothly, watery, like how I do it in my normal corporate events, which I.
Okay, so here we go, guys. Raghav, which is
as a corporate genre, but there's nothing particular in that.
We've already discussed. One of the questions was there saying your favorite co-star or your most fun co-star. Yes.
Sorry, I just had a piece of cake again.
No, I think we didn't mind that cut.
So it's made up of whole wheat, jaggery, and walnuts to be more precise. And if anybody is getting jealous, most fun, like what we were talking, most fun is Alisha and Vidisha because our characters and the atmosphere on the sets. Presently, we are very chilled out. We are very open with each other. We talk nonsense. We talk bullshit. So that's where the fun comes from. So yeah.
Absolutely. I've got obviously everybody saying, we want Sher Singh back in PR and Graves. It's just non-stop as a comment.
Sher Singh is always alive for you all, man.
Yeah, there we go. You know, got a health routine?
My health routine is to work out 30 to 45 minutes presently in this quarantine period. Not doing much. Otherwise, I spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour in the gym usually. Because you lose out, you just don't go there to work out. You have to admire yourself at least 10 times in the mirror, so you tend to spend more time. And there are some magic in gym mirrors, what we don't get to see in our house mirror. पता नहीं कुछ है वहाँ पे, वो कुछ अलग प्रोडक्ट लगाते हैं वहाँ पे, सब अच्छा बल्कि बल्कि लगता है, घर आने के बाद सब पिचक जाता है. So anyway, so here in this quarantine period, my health routine is I post 8:30, 7:30 or something, because the daytime is again, because everybody's at home, so we have lunches, we have I don't want to miss out 2 hours or 1 hour also. Family during the breakfast, during the lunch, and breakfast khatam hota hai, to actually लेट ब्रेकफास्ट बट कैरीड फॉरवर्ड टिल लंच. तो वो ऐसा होता है वीकडे, और अभी बोलते हैं कि हर दिन संडे ही है. सबको लगता है हर दिन संडे ही है. नहीं, बट वी हैव जानबूझ के सैटरडे को लेट नाइट करते हैं ताकि सैटरडे लेट नाइट सैटरडे लगे, लाइक यस्टरडे व्हाट वी डिड. यू शुड फील, हाँ. And the fear of not fear of Monday, but that literally Monday waiting tomorrow. तो पता नहीं कुछ होगा, भले मदर्स डे है, कि वो सब जल्दी चले जाएंगे अपने अपने रूम में. वैसा होता है. And then I keep myself, I give 30 to 45 minutes of my training, my workout. Either I run in my park or do some weight training. But every day till Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, genuinely, I keep off. Okay. Otherwise, through my continue was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday was completely off. The coming week is going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So I have like every week is planned that way.
Oh, that's smart, and that's being disciplined also.
It's yeah, like because you have to shock your body. You can't be like everything. You can't keep your schedule same for a week or for a month or whatever. You have to keep changing it, because that's how you. True. I believe you have something, because I have Monday planned for running, Wednesday of skipping, and then Thursday already planned it, because I have a trainer who also suggests and everything. And then to be more precise, on Friday I have a legs day.
Okay. I think everybody's taking the keyword here, discipline and fun at the same time, and that's very inspiring of you to.
Yeah, actually I've become more disciplined in this.
Yes. And I think it's pretty evident from your photos on your Instagram updates and all over, and it does.
Believe me, my lunch meal for tomorrow, my breakfast meal for tomorrow, and my kal raat ka dinner is also planned. I swear I'm not kidding. Not mine. That's what we have decided for everybody in the house. कि we will be like this. तो इसमें आगे जाके जब सब कुछ खुल जाएगा, perfect हो जाएगा, तो 100% ये चीज help करेगी. 100% help करेगी. So let's do something where you would grow from this period. That's good enough.
I think it's just engineering your mind, and I think you've aced it well. I must
absolutely
say, during this quarantine.
Perfect. Yeah.
Well, did that include the cake you just had, by the way?
The cake include what?
Did the plan include the cake you just had, by the way?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. That's what I'm telling you. It's made of jaggery, whole wheat, and Saturday, Sunday. I make sure that I eat sweets थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, ताकि वो फिर एक वो डर बना रहता है ना, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे में निकालना है.
Yes.
अगर कम खाओगे तो लगेगा कि यार थोड़ा चल ठीक है कल खा लूंगा, तो अभी ये ओवरलोड करके फिनिश. So yeah,
is सीरा your favorite?
इसी बात पे एक और हाँ, सूजी का सीरा, कढ़ा प्रसाद. So yeah, all those things, but not missing a single chance of eating मम्मा के हाथ का खाना. सिर्फ आज मैंने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया कि हम लोग उनको ऑफ दे, कि उनको थोड़ा रिलैक्स करें. But yeah, once a week we definitely make
just it. On those lines. And just on those lines, which is your favorite food or cuisine?
Favorite food in Indian, if I would say, so my all-time नींद में से 4 बजे भी सुबह उठा के अगर मुझे बोलोगे ना राजमा चावल है, I won't brush and I'll start eating it.
Yes.
I'll start eating it. कि खत्म नहीं होता है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई प्रलय आ जाएगा, आज अगर राजमा चावल नहीं खाए तो कल नहीं मिलेंगे, अभी खा ले। पता नहीं यार, कुछ है उससे।
Quarantine mode on mind. बस पहले
I mean, I don't know, there's something, मतलब एक वो कुछ है राजमा चावल से। एक राजमा चावल है and cuisine में मतलब I'm practically talking this Indian घर का खाना, क्योंकि अभी मैं घर के खाने में बहुत सारा घुस चुका हूँ। So yeah, cuisine wise, my favorite cuisine is Asian and Japanese.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And your favorite color, Gaurav?
Favorite color?
Your favorite color?
Blue. The sky blue.
Blue. That's the sky blue, to be precise. Gaurav, when do we see you back? After quarantine, I know projects are on standstill. There is a web series happening, but anything else that you're looking forward to?
Yeah, I am in talks with a few people about other projects which are going to get concrete very soon. Touch wood, looking forward. So everything is on just matlab everybody is waiting for the signal. So let's see if one work starts, so simultaneously step by step आगे पीछे सबके बाकी के काम चालू होते जाएंगे.
Yes, we wish you the best there, and
thank you so much, Deepa.
Yeah, but thank you so much for your time on Biscuit Showtime. Just if you'd like to quickly give a shout out to our channel, and especially being Mother's Day.
I really like the name Biscuit and how you spell it BYSQIT. Biscuit. Yes. What does it mean? Biscuit Showtime.
Yes. So bisque means yes, it's a French word, but it has a different meaning in every genre. Like like when it comes to food industry, having bisque is a special dish which is always receives a Michelin star, so it's like top of the range. Anything that's like either premium, and every industry has a different meaning for this word. So I was like, all our viewers come from different genres, different part of the world, and for them,
this is a premium channel.
Different. Yes.
Wow.
To be precise, that one, I'm glad to hear that from you, though.
No, but really looking forward. I'll start following your page and start looking for it. Guys, please go follow the page and biscuit with your biscuits. Yeah.
Yes. That was cute.
For me, it's cake.
So much, Gaurav. You've been very
Thank you. It was really lovely talking to you. Please take care. Stay safe. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day to Anju ma'am.
Happy Mother's Day to you also. I wish every mother here a very, very, very happy Mother's Day. And spend time with your parents and आज कुछ अलग करो अपनी माँओं के साथ, कुछ different, do something for them. Wish you also a very happy Mother's Day.
Thank you once again. Thank you. Very kind to say that. Thank you so much.
Lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Biscuit Showtime. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining us in our segment Quarantine में. I'm Deepa Avtani, your host for the segment. फिर वापस मिलेंगे नए celebrity के साथ. Until then, you take good care, stay home, stay safe, and be healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.